Why am I about to show you a bug in my thing? I don't know, but... Hey everyone, my name is Paulo. This brown thing over here, that's Jiro, although you can barely tell. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to give you a tour of the game I've been working on stream for the past few months. So unfortunately my talents don't extend to animations or 3D modeling, so a lot of what you're going to see is basically kit bash things from, you know, assets that I bought in the asset store or in Sketchfab or things like that, and then I just kind of put them together in different ways. So this model, I saw it on the asset store, and this is what kind of got me started on this whole trip. I really liked it. You know, he looks really good, but also has like a little, like, you know, a knowing smile, leafy eyebrows. He looks trustworthy, you know. So my idea was that he maybe could be like a caretaker of nature or something like that, or in this case more like caretaker of dragons, which I thought was kind of cool because my day job, I make a game where you murder enemies by the dozen, so I thought, you know, a peaceful game would be kind of cool. So what he does is he takes care of this little dragons over here. As you can see, there's different types. So this one is like the magma one. Over there's the stone one who has you know, he poops stones because that's what you do. Then the cloud one over there, and then the water one, you can see he has like a little water drip wherever he goes. And basically you have these abilities to create food for them. Let's toss a little bit of food there. As you can see, they all go chasing after the food. They are hungry little dragons. And you can also make them a mushroom. That one makes them sleep. So as you can see, that's the air dragon. He continues to poop rocks as he sleeps. You know, it happens. You know, and I know it happens. You can also give them special potions that activate abilities on them. Right now, oh, there you go. They're doing the dance. Oh, the dance for the, oh my god. Wind guy, if you could please pay attention for a second. Thank you. There you go. So he can create that. As you can see, that bounces them up. So the idea was that each one of them would have different abilities. So for example, maybe the rock one could create like big rocks that you can use as platforms. Maybe the fire one could like burn out obstacles, things like that. They also dance every now and then, as you can see. I love this. They're trying to dance to decide who's gonna eat the onion that's in between them, and I don't know if they'll ever really reach a conclusion. So the idea was to make like different puzzles using those abilities, but also like more traditional puzzles. So for example here, this is a classic stand on a little platform, and that opens a door. But also I can make a second platform for that other door, so that we have to stand like at the same time for it to work. So let me lure him in with a little bit of a mushroom. There he comes. And then when he touches that door opens, and now I can walk through it. Of course, well actually I can. Okay, well I cannot walk through it. Fine, I'll admit it. But anyways, it opened. So this is the next thing I started working, trying to make like a proper level. So over there we have the legendary Dragon Egg Mountain, which I do like the shape of. And then over here, lots of grass. And then we have this magnificent Dwarven Temple. The idea was that this was going to be like a floating island sort of thing. But I never really got around to working on the edges. But there is this cool little bridge over here, which you don't have a bridge. And oh, magic bridge. That's a pretty cool little effect for the tiles appearing as you move around. And then inside there is nothing. It's pretty lacking. You know, there's a goblin over there. There's another one over here that's a master of alchemy. Why are you underground, buddy? I don't know why his legs are inside the ground, but you know, sucks to be him. And then underneath we have this little like energy flow under the ground sort of deal. That looks pretty cool. I think I have a bigger version of the floor over here, so you guys can see kind of how it works. Oh, there it comes. So basically as you get close to it, it starts to like materialize, although right now the grass covers the whole thing, so it still looks kind of cool. So the reason I didn't continue with this is because I didn't plan it very well. It is a big level and I didn't really have a good idea for the flow of it. So I don't think I'm going to use the level, but I will use parts of it. Like I really like this little magic floor, so I'll use it somewhere. And I also like the temple itself, at least from the outside, so I'll probably reuse that somewhere too. So this is a new island we were working on. Bienvenidos a mi island. As you can see, there's a crash zeppelin over here. You can see the big smoke plume coming out of it. The nice shiny water, maybe a little too shiny. A lot of debris over there from the crash. And most importantly, we can see that we've changed main characters. The main reason I changed it is because while I loved the other model, it looked too slow. It felt too slow when you were just walking around, and it looked too goofy when you were running. So over here, like, she can walk fine, and then when she runs, she looks pretty natural running. Can also do the jumping. Never mind the butt flare when she jumps. I gotta fix that at some point. And also she has this little her little buddies. This is my what's the name of that show? This is my entourage. Okay, I'm gonna show you a pretty awful bug. I don't know why I'm showing you this, but she doesn't know that she can land on this stone. So yeah, that's not very good. And over there, as you can see in the background, there's our tree guy. He is now being downgraded to NPC. If you come over here, you can see more of those little flowers that basically you'd like activate, go and do some sort of like puzzle or level similar to using those mechanics I was talking about earlier with the dragons, and then you'd come back into this sort of like a hub zone. Then there's this other little mushrooms here. These ones are red, so they actually, instead of following you, they actually run from you. They are pretty cute. Over here, our buddy has gone. I would chat with him, but I don't want to spoil the deep story for you. Over there, you can see another plume of smoke, and this is the rest of your ship. So basically, you crash landed over there, and then here's the rest of your ship, and your crew is over there. That's where you want to go. Over there, there's a magical pink tree that you want to go to, and all this stuff that I've been like thinking for this. I feel like in this level I have a pretty good idea of where everything would be and kind of how it would flow. So the level is still pretty big. It's actually smaller than the other one. The other one was like 1 kilometer by 1 kilometer, and I think this one is like 300 meters by 300 meters. But it's still way too much. Like it's a lot for a single person to kind of decorate. But you know, I have fun putting the little decorations, you know, putting a happy little tree over here, and some stone over there. There's some writing over there that says the reservoir, or at least that's what I'm telling you it says. This is the last thing I've been working on. It's like a little intro cinematic. You're flying in your ship. All of a sudden the skies go dark. Thunder's all around you. Pretty soon you'll get some uninvited guests flying there from the upper right. You can see a dragon flying in. You have a little control over your ship, so you can like move side to side, although there's no real purpose for it at the moment. Then another dragon comes in, and that's as far as we get. So it's just like a little cool intro scene where you can kind of establish why you crashed into the island. So that's basically what I got so far. I still don't know what the game is. I wouldn't recommend you ever try developing like this. It is kind of crazy. I got some ideas here and there. I'm just hoping that as I make random stuff for it, I'll find something I love and just gonna latch onto it. There's a lot of there that I like. I just don't know exactly how it all sort of fits together. But we'll see. Hopefully I'll find it along the way. If you want to watch me make this, I stream it on Twitch on Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. Just a little Giro. And Twitch on TV/PabloPun. I hope to see you there. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe this button. Not this button. Like and subscribe by using the button. I'll see you in the next one. Adios.
Well, thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when new videos come out. Thanks for watching.